Good morning. It's 6 o'clock. I am drinking my protein coffee. Just a quick update. It's been a year since I've had my cycle as a female. I had PCOS. I have PCOS, so I would go 2 months, 6 months, 9 months, so that's not abnormal. But when I was on carnivore, they were starting to regulate, and it was monthly. And then when I went as the OMAD, it started going away, and then I switched to keto and it started coming back. So I don't know what all's going on, but anyway, so it's been August of 2021 since I had my cycle. I'd say Saturday, today's what, Tuesday, so the past 4 days I've been having extreme cramps, wearing a heating pad at night, and so I don't know, no results as of yet. I haven't started. So I don't know. It's interesting. I'm 50, so I don't know. It might be a combination of all things: PCOS, weight loss, going through the change. I have no idea. But anyway, so yeah, so that's just a little update. Like I said, I know people with eating disorders, they lose their cycle sometimes, and I don't know, losing almost 60 pounds might be, my body might think I'm in stress, and so it might be holding off. So anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd tell you that that's kind of where I'm looking at. I know guys watch this channel, so I'm not getting in detail, so I'll shut up now. But yeah, something's going on with my body, and I don't know what it is, but there you go. Happy Tuesday, and on to the food. So for the Red Hat Society, they're doing a float. We're having a fair parade, and it's not this weekend but next weekend, and I'll be at a bridal shower. So as a as a representation of me, I made a little red hat girl, so I'm gonna send her along on the float. So she's got purple dress, and then she's got bangs, and but I made the hat to where I can take it off and on, because I'm hoping to make a few different types of hats since I'm in two different groups. One of them is called Classy Sassy. The other one is called the Mississippi River Winches. And so it's kind of pirate themed. Hang on, face is puckered. Anyway, so I'm going to make like a little red pirate jacket and a red pirate hat. So anyway, but I'm going to send her along on the float if they want to have her just sitting up on the side. Usually my dolls are standing, but this one is sitting. So anyway, yeah, so I made a little Red Hat Society girl to represent me since I can't be at the float. Isn't she fun? So here's the deal. It's 11:30. I haven't had breakfast. I feel crummy. I just took some more, what's that stuff? Excedrin for, the girly issues. I know I have to eat something. I don't want to eat big. And, a lot of times in the past when I felt crummy, I wanted carby stuff. Well, I don't want carby stuff, but I know that whenever you take Excedrin, it's got aspirin and NSAIDs in it, so I need to put something in my stomach, but I don't want to eat. I just don't want to eat. So I'm going to eat a few of these chips, and I'll plug it in. But, yeah, I just don't feel like eating right now, but I know I need to eat a little something to put a little food in my stomach, and that's something that I can put in. And so, yeah, I'll see how many I eat and what's left, and then go from there. So that's what's going on so far today. It's funny, in the past, whenever I was sick, my motto was, if you're sick, you need to eat. But now I'm like, I just don't want to eat. So never in my 50 years have I had that thought process. I think one time maybe. But anyway, so yeah. So I'm going to eat a few of these chips. And like I said, I'll plug them in and into the chronometer and see where I'm at after this kicks in, and if I get hungry later. It is 12:45, and I'm going to eat just the pork loin, or the pork chops that I made this weekend. It's 7 ounces of pork chops. I pulled the vegetables out and threw them away. I'm just not in the mood. I just, like I said, I'm just off. So that's what I'm going to eat right now, is just 7 ounces of pork chops. Come home early from work today. I just feel poopy. So, I'm not in the mood for veggies, so I pulled them out. This is 7 ounces of the steak that I made last week, or, this past weekend. And it's also my breakfast, the 93% ground beef, the 6 ounces. I put that together. I've already nuked it for 2 minutes. I want to add some of this quesadilla cheese. I'm going to add 28 grams, which is 1 serving. It's just what I'm wanting. Like I said, I'm just not feeling the vegetable thing today. Okay. I nuked it 2.5 minutes. I'm going to nuke it just a little bit longer. Well, let me season. I'm going to put some Greek seasoning on there. There's already some seasoning from this weekend whenever I cooked the steaks, but the ground beef doesn't have anything. I don't feel like spicy right now, just because, like I said, I feel bleh. But I do want a little bit of garlic. Just a little bit of that freeze-dried garlic. And I'll put some smoked paprika. Alright, I'm going to nuke it again for another minute. I'll mix that up. think this is that, what was that? Was that T-bone steak I had? Yeah, it's that steak. It's not the shaved thin steak. It's the T-bone steak. So, yeah, so T-bone steak, cheese, and ground beef. And a couple little pieces of the veggie that I didn't make it out. That's what I'm having for supper. It's a very carnivore style day, but I don't know. It's what I want, so it's what I got. All right, have a good night, y'all. Oh, it is, what time is it? It's almost 4 o'clock. So I'm early, but this will be a lot, so this will definitely hold me over till tomorrow. There's my macros for the day. Have a good night, y'all.